Good morning, good morning. Today is on a Friday, the 21st of March. Let's take a look on what we did yesterday, the 20th. Watch this. We were looking for sales before that 44, buys above over here, because this is the all-time high, and we're also looking for aggressive buys. So none of that came through. None of that came through. Actually, we had an aggressive sell area over here that I said I'm not going to entertain because I didn't really like how the way the market was moving at that time. But look at this. This is the highlight of the day. It was very easy profits. All you needed to do is to wait for this candle to close, and it did, closed over there. This was my entry for my first order. I took my entry after this candle closed over here. Then I realized the market has just done a pullback to the point again. So the moment this candle got here, see, my stop loss was here, so it wasn't touched. So the moment this candle got here and closed like that, I knew definitely by this candle closing below, then that means the area is actually a retracement that is happening. So I waited for the next candle that pushed above, then came down, closed, boom, and I took another. Honestly, I took another sell, the same area, and the market just went wild out. One candle, one whole candle went down. How many points is that? Let's see. This one whole candle had what? Had 113 peeps, bro. That is 1,138 points. So the market just pushed down 100 pips, dip, hit my take profits. All was and all my orders were out. All of a sudden, the next candle started and pushed way down. Then Then I observe this market come back up. I observe the market come back up, and this candle closed like this. You know what? You know what I did over there? I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put a low risk buy, and I took a buy from this point. Put my stop loss just below these two weeks over here, and I had this push up, and I closed again my order. So basically, I made some very good profit from those trades yesterday. These were very, very, very good trades yesterday. Look at this. Still, even if you miss this move, you could have taken this one over here. See, a close below this point, an entry over here, push all the way down. Even now, you could be in profit, right? Okay, let's see. What do we have today? We ain't got nothing about the dollar, which is high impact. Today is FOMC. Okay, nothing much. Just a member speaking. Williams. Nothing much. So we're good. We're good. Let's do a good analysis again. Let's do another fresh, new analysis and see how the market is gonna do. Again, remember what we said. We don't have a monthly resistance yet, but we have a monthly support. When you go to weekly, we don't have a weekly resistance yet. We have a weekly support over here. You go down to daily, we don't have no. Oh, we do. Actually, we do now. We do now. Because this is the daily low, daily support. Then we have the daily resistance over here, right over here. 4 hours. 4 hours, we are right where the 4 hours is right now. That is the place where we have a 4 hour resistance. And if I could watch this well, I would say that we have a 4 hours resistance over here. Sorry, did I say resistance 2 times? This is a 4 hour support, 4 hours resistance. 1 hour, same old, same old. That's it. That's how it is. 30 minutes, at least on 30 minutes, we could say that we're forming a bit of a resistance over here on 30 minutes. Forming a bit of a resistance over here. And that's where the market is right now. So again, how do we maximize on the buys? I'm only gonna take a buy should we break above that point. I'm gonna be taking a buy. My first take profit will be upon that point. The second one will be upon that point. And the third one, I would want it to tap that high. That one, I would want it to tap that high. All right. The long position, push it up like that. That is what I'm going to be watching. I'm not lying on that. All right. So potential buys above 30, 23, 30. No, 30, 32. 30, 33 actually. 30, 33. Over there to profit 1, 2, 3, 4. Ultimately, should we have those pressures? In terms of sales, in terms of sales, in all honesty, what do we have? Ooh, I think I would want to see something below these points, man. Then we go there. Then you can go there. I think I would want to see something, a continuation below these points. But the thing is, where we are right now, I'm just trying to check. There's this area as well. Yes. And you see this area is this. So where we are right now, I'd like to see potential cells below the 30, 25 area. 30, 25. And then we're going to push down to that point and this point, and we put a short position over there. Stop loss above that area. And we say that we're going to be looking to push it down to this point. Should we have the volumes to do that? Okay. It's not a guarantee that it's going to go all the way down there, but I'm sure one of these should be giving us some. Again, the reason why I do both sell possibilities of sell orders and possibility of buy orders is basically because I have a lot of followers, and I have a lot of people that watch these things, and I have both contrarian investors and I have both growth investors. So those that focus on buys, those that focus on sells. That's why I usually do this. And then, of course, different traders have different trading strategies. So you have to cover everybody. That's why I come all the way from monthly, coming all the way down, so that if you're a swing trader, you'll be concentrating on these high time frames. If you are a day trader or a position trader, you'll be concentrating, of course, on the monthly side. If you're a day trader, of course, you're going to be concentrating on this, the daily, the 4 hours, and see what you're going to do over here. If you're a scalper, again, you're going to be concentrating on these slower time frames. Okay. So you make sure that I cover everybody on this analysis. All right, guys. Thank you very much. You keep an eye on that. Should we have a break? I want to break below this week over here, and then I can take a sell now to push all the way down. All right, guys. Keep an eye on that. It's a Friday. Don't lose all your profits trying to chase the trades. Again, don't chase the trade. Don't chase the trade. Let the trades come to you. What I'm doing right now is setting a trap for the market to get to where I want it to get so that I can get in. So I'm not chasing no trade. Okay. Don't chase the trade. Again, trade what you see, not what you think. Stop doing wishful trading. Don't wish, oh, I wish it goes down. Or don't do that. Don't do that. All right. Thank you very much. Risk manage your trade well, and let's see you on Monday. All right. Take care and bye bye, guys. Have a good one.